I've had some questions about the Silly George pop-on lashes that I wear, so let's get to it. These are called pop-on because they're pre-glued. You don't have to mess with any messy glue, which is absolutely amazing, and it makes them so much easier to apply. Before you start, you're going to curl your natural lashes. Your natural lashes should be nice and clean. Don't have any mascara on them. And just a side note, your eyelash curlers should also be nice and clean. If you have any gunk built up here or in the inside, make sure you wipe that off so there's nothing sticky on it. I've seen some videos where women are losing their lashes from curling them, but that should not be happening. If you have any stickiness on here, you need to get rid of it, and you should only curl your lashes before you apply your mascara. So I just line it up to the base and press, and I like to look down while I'm waiting for a few seconds, and that seems to help them curl more upward. Now I'm ready to apply. These come in 4 different sizes: 8mm, 10mm, 12, and 14. I usually like to start on the inner corner with a shorter lash, and then I will build up to the longest lash on my outer corner. These lashes come in several styles as well, and I'm using the style Bloom today. You're going to pick up the lash from the box with this little tool, and make sure you have it angled appropriately to make it easier to apply to your eyes. So with this one, this is my first inner corner lash. I'm going to angle it slightly that way so I can put it on there a lot easier. I'm going to hold my eyelid up just a tiny bit, and I'm going to lay the lash right on my existing lash at the base, right to the top of the waterline. And then I'm going to press it in and make sure it adheres well. I'm going to go in right next to the 8mm. Make sure you don't leave any spaces. And just like that, it's on. Next, I'm going in with a 12. And again, I'm lining that right next to where I put the 10. Another 12 right next to the first one. Okay, here's my last one. This is a 14. Putting it right up next to that 12. And then squeeze it together. Now that you have them all on, you want to comb through them to make sure they look all even. I lost my little spoolie, so I'm just using the end of an eyebrow pencil. And that's it. Look at the difference. Without, with, so pretty and still so natural looking. If you've never applied lashes under your real lashes, it is a learning curve, but you will definitely get the hang of it. And then you'll see how easy it is and how beautiful and natural they look. If you'd like to check them out, I have a link and a discount code.